Guys, let me introduce myself to you guys. This is Amol, and I have been working in IT industry for past 16 years. Okay, I started my career in ITSM environment. During the start of my career itself, I got exposure to ITIL, ITSM, and various other products, which is ITIL-based products and all, right? So I started with a technology called BMC Remedy in year 2006. And with respect to ServiceNow, I got exposure in 2009, and I have been actually part of various roles. I have worked as a application developer. I worked as a technical support team. I worked as a business analyst, a solution architect, as a team lead. So I have actually participated in different projects with different roles. Okay, and that will definitely help you guys to add values, a lot of values to you people. Okay, and with respect to the training, I have been doing training for the past 7 years. I have done more than 70 trainings, all the important MNCs, right, that I have delivered the training. For example, Deloitte and Capgemini, Cognizant, Genpact and all, right? So, yes, so here also we will be doing the entire session. It will be more than training. We are going to have a project like training, right? It's not a normal training. This is something like all the ServiceNow concepts that you will be taught. You need to understand that, right? Then and there. If you have any questions, you can ask, right? That the process, that the learning process that we are going to implement here. Okay, so all the people has to be quite attentive here, right? Your attentivity will also will be evaluated here, right? We will have a knowledge check. Right? How much attentive you have been in the class, okay, and how much you have learned, right? And we will have doubt clarification session and all, right? So I would expect all of you participants to gather at least more than 90% in this session. Okay, so it's actually 25 days session. So all of you have to do you all have to quite attentively listen to my statements. Okay, you have to see the demo which actually I'm delivering to you guys, and also the assignments is very key. None of the assignments should be you should leave. All the assignment has to be completed, because these assignments will be your project like assignments and all, same kind of a task that you are going to get. Okay. Hmm? So assignment, you have to focus on the assignment. All of you have to do the 100% assignment, right? Got it? Is that okay, everyone?
Yes,
And
Amol.
the entire session will be
Yes,
interactive
Yes,
also.
sir.
We will keep on
Yes,
interacting
Samu.
also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I would still see that there are few people MST SCP ART 018. Can you change the name, because there are 30 participants? So I would like to know your name also. Sonu, Monica, right? I have Akash, I have Gilbert, Shruti, Suresh, Jagdish. Okay, so guys, you guys are just
Excuse
telling
me,
yes or
Gilbert.
no.
Amol, excuse me 1 second. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Amol, actually in that, so 3 to 4 members coordinator is there. So, and
Mm-hmm.
Gilbert, you just consider, we give that number already over that participants. You just
Mm-hmm.
consider to them. So some of our coordinators, Shruti and Ashish, Shobhan,
Okay.
yeah, and Gilbert. This
Okay.
is our
If
coordinator.
you can if you can add some prefix or something like this, right?
Yes, yes,
If
yeah, I will add some coordinator in initially in that.
yeah, just do some prefix and all, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And we will have one more coordinator here, right? She's going to be a lab assistant here right now when we are going to start the lab. Okay. So, okay. So all of you people just change your name. I could still see there is ART024, ART006, ART028. Please do not delay. Right, immediately just change your uh, real name. Okay. So guys, just tell me yes or no. All of you are do you have experience in service now? Any kind of experience? Yes or no? Means you can raise your hand also. How many of you are already aware of service now concepts? Even the 5-10% you have knowledge, right? So I could see there is one hands raised. Uh, who is this? Okay, I could see Sonu. Sonu, we have and Akash. So Sonu, Akash means how much experience you have in service now?
So talking
Hi,
about service now ITSM, yes, please, you can go.
myself Akash. I have 1 year of experience as a ServiceNow developer in ITSM.
Okay, 1 years of experience in ITSM. So Akash, how much experience you have in scripting?
1 year.
Scripting, have you done scripting?
Yes,
Have
yes.
you? Okay,
Working
so you
on
know
business.
what is business rule, client script, and everything.
Yes, yes,
Have you worked on the glide record and everything?
yes,
Glide Ajax, Glide Ajax.
yes. Using Glide API.
So out of 10, how much will you rate yourself, Akash?
9.
Out of 10, okay, you okay 9. So Akash, we have Jagdish also. Okay, so Akash, I expect a lot of things in this session, okay, from you because you already have some knowledge on the service now, 1 years of experience, right? So it will be easier for you to understand, right? You will be quick learner here, okay? What about Jagdish? Jagdish, yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. So I have
Yeah, Jagdish.
yes, sir. I have experience on ITS model.
ITSM 1 year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
how much will you rate yourself in scripting out of
Out
10?
of eight,
Yeah,
eight, sir.
8.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me one thing, just one question. What is scratchpad variable?
Cash card is a cash card is a temporary variable.
Why it is used? It's
It is
just a knowledge check. It's just a knowledge
uh,
check. Don't take it otherwise. I
it is
just want to understand, right? Yeah.
yeah, it is used to in display business tool.
Okay. It is used in display business. 100%. Very good. Brilliant, Jagdish. So, okay. Okay. What is difference between glide aggregate and glide record? Jagdish.
Slide aggregate record.
Hmm.
Glide recording is used to when you to create the record on another table and
Yeah.
glide aggregate. Glide, glide aggregate is used to
No,
work.
glide aggregate, not glide Ajax. I'm
Yeah,
asking glide.
yeah, yeah. Glide aggregate. Glide aggregate is used to it is used it is used to
Okay, I
calculate
think
for
there is
calculate.
a little voice breaking up.
Hello.
Jagdish, please check at your end if you have some issues with the audio, so you can join from mobile also. Jagdish, okay?
Yeah, it
There
is
is a
used.
little background disturbances I could see.
I'm in a room. Actually, the fan is on.
Okay, there is some coming in.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you just mute yourself, Jagdish. Let's check who is the culprit here.
Calculation.
Okay, that's all fine, Jagdish. I think. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, glide aggregate.
Glide aggregate it is used to for calculation or calculate field.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good, good, brilliant, brilliant. I like it. So we have Akash. I think this was Akash, right? This was Akash and Jagdish.
Yeah.
And we have, I think there are few hands raised. MST ACP ATR 016. Can you change your name, right? MST ACP ATR 016. Right. There is some participants. Can you your hands is raised, but I don't know your name. we have Vishal, and we have Sonu, Kotesh also, Kotesh, Nazma, right? Let me make a note of these people. Najma, Kotesh, Vikas. Okay, so Najma, how much experience you have in ServiceNow?
I have 3 years experience.
You have 3 years of experience in ServiceNow.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Um, so can you tell me one thing? How will you pass variable from one activity to another activity in a workflow?
Sorry,
Yeah,
variable from
yeah. Value from one activity to another activity in workflow. How will you do that?
value for one activity to another activity. So in
Yes, Najma.
workflow you are asking.
Yes, in workflow. How will you do that?
Yeah. So in workflow we need to do set value.
Set, no, no, no. You have to pass from one activity to another activity. Anyone? Anyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
by
May I
using
know your name?
Scratchpad workflow.
Who is this? May I know your name?
Geetanjali.
Gitanjali.
Yes.
So Gitanjali, your hands is not raised.
Oh, sorry.
Huh?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
have to
sorry.
raise your hands if you know ServiceNow, right? Okay.
Yeah,
So that,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So Gitanjali,
Yeah.
let me. So we have Gitanjali also, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just a second. So we have Gitanjali, Sonu, we have Vikash, right? And we have Najma Jagdish Kotes, right? Najma Jagdish Kotesh, right? So these are the participants. I think there is one more hands raised. MSD ACP ART 029. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So Gitanjali, so it will
Yes.
be Scratchpad.
Yes, Sketchpad workflow.
Workflow.scratchpad, right?
Yes. Yes.
So another question to you, Gitanjali.
Yeah.
How will you call a server-side script from the client side?
Um, by using
Glide
Glide
Ajax.
Ajax. Glide
Yeah,
Ajax.
Glide Ajax.
Yeah, Glide
Yeah.
Ajax.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So these people are, even Venkatesh is also there. Venkatesh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this all fine. I think all these people, you all are good, right? It will be easy for me. Okay. I'm just setting the different uh, classification. I'm just want to classify the kind of the participant that I have. So these people are, we have Vikas, Venkatesh, Kotesh, Shiv Kumar also. Shiv Kumar, okay, Shiv Kumar also. Okay. Now we'll go back to the other participant. Okay, so let's go with Suchitra. Suchitra, are you there?
Yes, Amol.
Suchitra, do you have any knowledge in service now?
Yes, I have knowledge.
So you have not raised your hands. Yeah.
Yes.
How much experience you have?
2 years.
You have 2 years. So whatever the question that I asked, you are aware of those questions?
Yes, yes, I am aware of.
Okay. What do you mean by incident, Suchitra? What is incident?
Yeah. Incident is an uh,
Amol,
What
can
do you
I?
mean by just a second. Just a second. Suchitra, you know what is
incident is
incident?
yeah, incident is an interaction or destruction of the in service now.
Okay, and do one thing, guys. Means those who are already aware of service now, those who have experience in service now, can you add a suffix there in your name? Let's say like Vikas no, something like this. SN1, SN2, SN3, right? Vikas SN1. If you have 1 year of experience, it should be Vikas SN1. If you have 2 years of experience, Vikas SN2. Can you rename it? It will be easy for me because there are so many participants here. Come on, guys. Did you
Yes.
understand the comment here? Hmm?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Because tomorrow you will be mapped to the project, right? Okay, can you do that again? Anyone has done? Uh, okay, none of you have still done.
Actually, Amol, after
So
joining the meeting,
yeah,
I'm not able to rename my name.
okay. Who is this? May I know your name?
Just said Sonu Galeria.
Sonu Galeria. Uh,
So it would be great if someone could guide me.
okay. Okay. So I think let me do. Vikas, how much experience in service now you have?
Yeah, hi Amol. I have 2 year experience in service now.
3 years.
2 years,
So I
2
have
years.
2 years.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
I changed Vikas. Let's see. I've changed. I have renamed the Vikas here. It's a
yeah,
true,
yeah,
right?
yeah. But my name is not Vikash. My name is Vikas.
Vikash. Sorry.
Vikas, not like H. Last
Okay.
letter.
That's okay. That's okay, Vikas.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So let me remove this. Okay. So similarly, you people can do. Okay. Vikas.
Yeah.
Venkatesh, how much experience you have?
Thank you, Amol.
Yeah, 3 years.
Venkatesh, SN3. This is you. This is how you can do, right? So it will be easy for me. Okay, we will take it later also. So this is how you can do. So okay, Najma, just try to change your name also. Okay, so Satish, are you there?
Yes,
Satish, do you have knowledge or experience in service now?
yes. I have 2.8 year experience in service now.
You should raise your hands, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. How much? How much did you say? 3 years.
2.8 years.
2 point.
8 years.
Okay, means 2.8. Okay, I changed your name, right, Satish? So Satish, question goes to you. What is record producer?
Yeah, record producer is a type of catalog item that allow user task based record from catalog item.
Okay, that's okay. So are you guys able to see my classroom now? Hmm? All of you?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Yeah. So let me share my screen and show you this. Okay. I think today is very basic topic. Okay. And how many of you? Okay. So all of you, please. 1 minute. Lower down you. Okay. Lower down all hands. So I have lowered down all the hands here. Now, can you people? How many of you have a zero experience service now? Can you please raise your hand? Zero experience in service now. Shiva Kumar. Okay. So those who have only Shiva Kumar. What about the other participant? Okay. So we have. Can you please raise your hands? Vashu, Oli. Can you please raise your hand? Those who are not even aware of service now. I could see only one hand raised. Hello? Am I audible? Is it only Vasu? Shaq, are you there? Shaq?
Yeah, sir. I am.
So you already have knowledge in service now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think there is only one participant who doesn't have knowledge in service now. Okay. Okay. So all of you have instance ready with you? Service now this development instance?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I have.
Oh, you just log in, wake up your instance, awake your instance,
Yes.
and okay. Okay, everyone.
Yeah. Instance.
Okay, so as per agenda, I'm going to share my screen. Guys, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Are you guys able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Brilliant. Uh, so this is the classroom we will be working on. So these are the agenda of today. So we will try to understand that why do we call ServiceNow as a platform as a service or as a software as a service. Okay, we'll try to understand. And then we'll try to understand why do we use ServiceNow for application development and how it is different from the traditional way of application development. Then we will go to ServiceNow Studio, and I'm going to fine tune your knowledge on the application development stuff and all, custom application development. So we will be doing one project here, right? So the project is all about the marketing event management application, okay, and the needed application. Basically, we'll focus on one of the application called the marketing event management application during the project, right? And we'll try to explore what are the presentation layer components that you have in ServiceNow. So these are your presentation layer components, whatever that you see here. So these are all your presentation layer components. That's the agenda of today. Okay, got it? So let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about before we understand ServiceNow, we'll try to understand why do we do application development. Can anyone tell me? Why do we do application development? Okay. Why do we do application development? Can you give me, before we start understanding about the application development, can you tell me what are the example of enterprise application and gives few example of enterprise applications that you're using today? Can you give me some examples? The application which is being used in an organization. It could be banking industry, it could be tech industry, it could be manufacturing industry, but some of the applications are being used, right, in every organization. Can you give me some examples? One I'll tell you. One will be your timesheet management application. Okay, rest you can give. You all are working in IT, right? For 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, you must be using some of the application within your organization. Can you name a few?
Self-appraisal.
Sorry?
Self-appraisal.
Self-appraisal. Very good. Self-appraisal system. All right. What else?
Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, Microsoft Team.
Zoho.
For communication. All right. Communication and collaboration. Right. Right. What else?
Zoho for communication.
Can you get me some of the web-based application?
Jira
Sorry?
tool. Jira tool.
DRC, yes. You could have a payroll, right? You could have a recruitment application, right? You could have some finance related application. What is
HR
this?
application.
Agile application, right? Agile application, agile development, HR case management application. Yes, what else? You could have a
Pre-hire
help
schedule.
desk one. Yeah. Yes.
Pre-hire schedule.
Sorry.
Pre-hire schedule.
I didn't get you.
It means like scheduling an interview.
Scheduling a recruitment application I have already
Yeah.
created, right?
Okay.
And there could be few other applications also, right? Internet banking application, right? School management application, railway ticket booking application, right? Correct? Hotel booking application, right? Okay. So we are actually talking about different kind of application, right? Okay. We are focusing on application development, right? Why do we focus? Why actually we are focusing on application development? Because ServiceNow is a revolution in application development. Okay. ServiceNow is revolution. We can take it as a ServiceNow is a revolution in application development, right? If you are already experienced ServiceNow, you can see it's almost most of the applications are today out of the box in ServiceNow, right? Or means even item application, right? Okay. You have orchestration, you have event management, you have cloud management, you have discovery and everything that you have in the ServiceNow, right? So ServiceNow is actually one thing is ServiceNow is a platform, and on that platform you have a lot of products, right? So ServiceNow is a platform, and how this platform is different from other traditional platforms. Okay. Okay, so now the question is, why do we create application, right? So applications are created to automate business processes, right? Why do we create application? To
automate the business
processes, right? So 300 years back, 400 years back, 500 years back, even they were not IT, but the process were there, right? Correct? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Process
Yes,
means IT was not there, IT was not matured enough, right? But still you had a process, right? So process had a lot of other process components were there, right? And most of the process were there and where manual interventions were required, right? Time taking, right? So with IT, concept of applications created, right? Do you agree with this, with IT? So IT application is something that is the presentation of the IT to the business, right? Today there is no organization which doesn't depend on IT, right? And why they are depending on IT? Just because we have the interface as an application, right? IT is the back-end stuff, application is the front-end stuff. Do you agree with this? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
So application means, right, application help you to provide business service, right? So internet banking is one of the application, right? And it provides different business service, right? Internet banking application, right? And this provide various kind of a service banking service, right? Credit card service, insurance service, loan service, right? So all these services are actually provided to the customer and to the employee of a bank using internet banking application. Okay, so you have a lot of business service, right? To see the chronology here, right? Means business service is actually provided by various customers. It could be right, and business service could be supported by business application, no, business process, and business process will be automated through business application, correct? Right? And business application needs IT component that you call as configuration item, correct? Right? IT component
Yes, Samal.
which play a significant role in the delivery of the IT service, right? That is your configuration item. So understand this. With 1 year of experience in ServiceNow, 2 years of experience, or 3, you need to fine tune their knowledge. You are correcting your knowledge, or you are just making your knowledge smooth here. All right, got it? Okay, so these business process could be could be IT process. IT process also termed as a business process, right? So you have incident management, change management, problem management, right? So these processes can be automated also. And for that, you have an application service now, right? Inbuilt applications and all. Okay, got it? So just discuss. Right now, we are not going directly to the ServiceNow concepts, ServiceNow application development, right? The topic that we are learning here, the agenda that we are learning here, why do we call ServiceNow as a platform as a service, application as a service, software as a service? That's what actually we are understanding it. But to understand this, we will be understanding the traditional way of application development. Got it? Any questions here? Any questions, guys? Okay. 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 So let's go and try to understand traditional way of application development. Right. So what is the architecture of any application development? Can anyone tell me? Any application development has a 3 tier, right? One is your presentation layer, right? Whenever you develop an application, what comes in your mind, right? First, presentation layer is a component, right, which will be actually is an interface which will be accessible to the user on the user's device. It could be laptop or it could be desktop. Is that okay? One of you can say me yes, so that I can feel connected.
Yes,
Hello
Samal.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
presentation layer is a layer which provides interface, means the interface the user interacts with. That's why I call it as a user interface, right? That is called UI. So this is something that you need to develop, right? Okay, this user interface has a different components. These different components could be login page, right? What else? What else? Buttons, screen layouts,
Links.
right? Application navigator.
Links.
What else? Form, list, field.
Links.
Yeah.
Link.
Links.
Links. Below we have no. You have
URL.
links. Yeah.
Yeah, URL, but URL is URL, right? URL is not the part of any user interface. URL is something you have to enter, right? When you enter an URL, that is going to download that presentation layer, correct?
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
Tables.
Tables is not the presentation layer component, right? Any
Yeah, yeah.
user do not access the table, right? You can say list, right? Table means one is database table or the presentation layer table. That table actually you're talking about. In ServiceNow we call it as a list, so we will call it as a list, like bank statement. That's what you're talking about.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so bank statement
Yeah.
you can see say it as a list instead of table, right? So mostly
Yeah,
we will be
okay.
using this ServiceNow vocabulary. Okay, so list
Okay.
is your means like bank statement, mini statement. These are the example of the list, right? So these are your UI component that you need to develop UI component, right? So these are some of the application development components, right? These are your development component. Okay, and what do we call in ServiceNow? We'll take it later. See guys, so we have a very means like the topic we will be stick on the everyday agenda, right? You might have got the daily uh, uh, based topic and all, right? So this is your presentation layer component. So when you have to develop a presentation layer component, what you need? What are the technology that you need to develop login page, buttons, screen layouts, application navigator, form, fields, and field? What do you need? What do you need, guys?
UI action. UI.
Sorry?
UI action.
Your voice is breaking.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Yes. So you are talking about few technologies, right? Few software or a few application or a few tool, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you are talking about, we are talking about the presentation layer tools or technologies or application, right? This client-based application, right? So you need, what else you need? You need HTML, you need CSS,
CSS, JavaScript.
you need JavaScript, and also
SQL.
you need some
STLC.
platform to code. You need some
Not.
platform, right? Like Notepad plus plus. And what else you need? You also need a server, right? You also need a server, correct? Hardware, right? You need a hardware,
Yes.
correct? Where you will means you need a hardware platform, right? You need a hardware. You need a software or application, right? Right. So means you need infrastructure component. Means you need an infrastructure, right? And you need software or application. Do you agree with this? Correct?
Yes, someone.
Yes.
So these hardware could be server, right? How will you get this server, right? You can have this server, right? Okay, so let's discuss about the different component, and then we'll talk about acquiring this hardware components and everything, right? So this is all about the presentation layer component, right? You develop a presentation layer component, call it as a form. This is called your student registration form, right? In a student registration form, this is your student registration form. you created a HTML, and through the web servers you provided the URL, and it has downloaded first name, last name, date of birth, contact details, right, phone number, right. If you are entering the value in it, right, uh, so these are the column that you have, these are the fields that you have, and then you have button, right. So you have a button called save, right. So this is form, field, and button, right. These are the things that you have here. Okay, so form, fields, and the button that you have, right, the user is going to click save button after entering these value, right. Will it save? Will it save?
No.
No.
No,
No.
it will not save. You have to connect save with some script, and you need to have some repository where the data will go. Correct? Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes.
where you need one more component, that is your coding component. You can say scripting component, you can say programming component, or you can say logic, business logic layer, right, where you will be doing client side coding and server side coding, right. For this also you need a various tool, right. Can you tell me some of the tool or the technologies or the applications which we'll be using? Maybe
NetBeans.
.NET,
In
NetBeans.
maybe Python,
business tools in service,
Java.
like
We are not,
Java.
right. We are not talking
Yes.
service now. We are actually, this topic is, if you see the agenda which I have been given from your organization, is to help you understand what is the difference between infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and application service, or whatever, right. So that's what actually we are talking about, right. So you can have with like JavaScript, right. So these are your coding platform that you have, correct. Correct. So these are your programming platform, these are your presentation layer platform. Is that okay? Got it?
Yes.
So you need a presentation layer platform, and you need a right, okay, presentation layer platform tool that you need, and the coding layer tool also that you need, right. So for this also you need some hardware, some server that you need, some infrastructure that you need, correct.
Yes.
Right, you need some infrastructure, hardware, correct, that you need. Okay, you need hardware, right. Okay, and where the data will go? The data will go in where? Data layer component, right? So what are the data layer component? You will have RDBMS, right? What could be the kind of software and tools available, technologies which is available in the market for
SQL.
creating and modifying,
MongoDB.
create and modify data structure? You have Oracle, you have
SQL.
MySQL, right. So these are examples that you have, right. So what it does is you have to create tables and columns, correct, right. So these are your development components for this, right. And for this also you need a database server.
Yes,
You
right.
need a database server also, right. So that is nothing but your hardware machine, right, that server machine, and the infrastructure that you need. Correct. Got it, everyone? Is that understood, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now understand this. So these are the hardwares that you have. How will you get this to do this? Either you will have it on premises, correct, or you will buy it on the cloud, right? Got it?
Yes.
Correct. These infrastructure, either you can have on premises or on cloud. When it's a on cloud means through the internet. If you get this, that is called your infrastructure as a service. Got it? Got it? Is that okay?
Yeah.
If you are getting that in AWS, right? So that is your infrastructure as a service. Okay? You do not need to buy a physical hardware, right? You can get a RDP access. That is your infrastructure as a service. Got it? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, if we are doing all these things, right? So we can have a notepad, or we can have a Java, or we can have an Oracle, right? So we can have this application on the cloud also. That is called application as a service, right? If you are getting some database on the internet, if you are doing without installing anything, if you are doing on the browser, right? So that is called your application as a service, or as a software as a service. Okay. If you are getting all these stuff, right, on the browser itself through the internet, these application without installing anything, so you will call it as a application as a means software as a service. Is that okay? Now understand. Now connect with the service. Now this is your traditional way of application development. This is your traditional way of application development. Okay. Now we will be talking about ServiceNow way of application development, right? You do not need to have anything here. If you are doing the ServiceNow way of application development, all those layer of developments you will be doing where? In a single console. In a single console. Right, in a single console. You will get a dev 123 something ServiceNow service-now.com. This is how we'll get a URL, right? Got it? Correct? Got it? Hello everyone?
Yes, yes.
Right? Yes. And you have a studio here as an interface for developers, right? You do not need to log into at a different level. If you have to create a form, you will create in a studio. If you have to create a table, you will be create studio. If you have to create a server-side script, you have to create in studio. If you have to write access control, you have to do it in the studio, right? Getting my point, right? So all layer of developments in ServiceNow will be done through single console, right? All these development components or the tools are called application file. Is that okay? So table, column, form, right, list, button, that is called UI action. So all these are your application file in ServiceNow. Application menu, module. So all these are your application file. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Client script, right? So all these are your application file in ServiceNow. Got it? Got it? And
Yes,
all these
yes.
application file can be created in a single console. You do not need a different developer. You do not need a different a console like the Notepad or a Java Eclipse or a database client. Got it?
Yes.
That's the way. That's why we say ServiceNow is a very, very powerful and the smart tool for the application development.
Yeah.
Got it? And it provide you actually application development platform as a service. Application development platform as a service, and it also provide application as a service like ITSM, GRC, like discovery, So these are the application which is provided by ServiceNow as a service. And application development is your platform in itself, like a studio, right? Okay. Are you getting my point here? So application development platform as a service, as application as a service, which you can customize. Is that okay? Any questions, any conflicts, any disagreement? Any questions, guys?
No, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
So you already
Yes.
learned something, you already have some experience. Now the layer I'm actually covering some layer, right? I'm putting some smooth layer on the top of whatever that you have experienced, right? So you are aligned, right? All of you? So
Yes.
what is service now? What do you mean by service now? What is service now? How we can find a service now as a developer? Many people call it ITSM tool. Many people will call as a ticketing tool. But as a developer, what will be your definition of a service now?
ServiceNow is
Come on.
ServiceNow is a platform. It is a software as a service. It provides as a software as a service. By this, we are going to build a wide variety of applications to automate
Very
the
good.
business process.
Yes. So ServiceNow is a platform which provide a foundation to create to provide a foundation to create wide variety of application to automate business process, right? By creating, managing. What it does, the ServiceNow will do what this application does actually. It creates data, it manages data, it maintain data, it secure data, right? Okay, update data, right? Delete data, fetch data. So these are actually, we can say, right? It's actually we also call it as a action. This is one thing, action record system, action record or request system, right? Means ServiceNow actually works on data, right? Record means request, action means these are the actions, right? These are the actions. These are the actions. And let's see. These are your actions. And what are the record? Records are your different kind of a record is there. Record is your CI, incident, change, problem, request, knowledge article, right? So these are the record, right? Any transaction based records. And you have the user record also, that is the foundation data. We will discuss that, right? Okay, got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Clear?
yes.
Okay. So this is how, now you understood what is software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. So you understood, right? This difference. So this topic is done. ServiceNow architecture done. Okay. Okay. So we will do a little few things also. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so all these screenshots I'm putting here, right? Okay, so now we have understood. Now we will be understanding the different type of applications in ServiceNow. Okay, so we will be doing additional concepts. Type of out of the box applications. Right. What are the different types of out of the box applications available in ServiceNow, guys? Come on, guys, I need answer. I'm really enjoying the session with you people, right?
Incident, problem, change.
Yeah.
Application, incident, problem, change.
Yeah, so these are the applications. Okay.
Yeah.
So based on the persona, you have a different kind of applications available, right? Out of the box application, there are the out of the box application that is only for doing the administrating activities. Getting my point? For doing the administrative activities, for development activities, right? You have some application in ServiceNow. Okay. So if you see here, so you have self-service. So under the self-service, whatever the module that you see, that is basically for the business users, for the end users. Is that okay? You have one application called the system definition, right? So system definition, right? You have application menu, dictionary, tables, choice list, tables and columns. So these are actually the
Yes.
application which is basically used for the development activities, right? Only the development activities, correct?
Yes.
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 This application
Yes.
is automating a development process. Okay, application development process. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so in ServiceNow, even the development are done in the regular normal screen layout, right? So you a different type of application, right? So one is your administrative application. Can you give me some example here? Come on. One is your system definition. Come on. System user.
System security.
User administration. Right? What else?
Security admin.
System security.
System security. Yeah. What else? System import side. Tell me, guys, you have 1 year, 2 years of experience.
Administration.
Sorry?
Form administration.
Form administration. Do we have form administration application menu? No, I don't have the application menu here. No, it's not there. It's not there. Right? You have all the system diagnostic, system export sets, system LDAP, system localization, system log, system mailbox, system notification, system OAuth, system policy, system property, system security, system UI. So all those starting with the system are the administrative application. Right? Correct?
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah,
And
yes.
there are some technical support applications used by technical support members. What are those? What are those? All these need you admin permission, admin role. What are the support?
Service
What
desk.
are the role? What are the application technical support? Technical support are those who resolve incident, who is actually working on the root cause analysis of a problem, those who is actually implementing the changes, those who are working on right? Huh?
Yes.
So what could be incident?
Incident problem.
Problem. Change problem.
Problem. Right?
Knowledge.
And there will be few
Request knowledge.
Special.
yeah, that is your specialized application. A specialized administrative applications. Right? Specialized means knowledge. Right? You will have
Request.
like
Request.
system
Service
import set
catalog.
only for the data. What is that?
What's it? System update sets. Service catalog.
Yeah. System update set.
System
Right?
UI actions.
System UI action. No, system UI action. Do we have system UI action? No.
You don't UI
That
actions.
application is not there. So, yes, UI action is a module,
sure.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm talking about the application actually. Okay, that's okay.
Yeah,
Good, very good try. Very good. Because I'm talking about not the specialized role. I'm talking about the specialized administrative application. You have a service catalog, right?
Yes.
Means you will have some admin. They will be only supposed to work on the service catalog development. They will not do scripting. They will not do user administration. They will be doing for that only. So even for that, user administration is also. Right?
Yes.
Right? User administration can be done by the admin also. It can be done by specialized, the one who has the role which is giving access to the user administration. And there are also some application activated through plugins, right? Like, right? So can you give me some examples which is activated through plugins?
Major incident.
Major incident, very good. Human
So
resource?
bit server.
Picture is already there.
Integration hub.
Integration hub.
Agile
And
2.0.
agile.
CMT.
It is
Agile
okay.
development.
Yeah. And there are one application which you can activate through application activate through application development portal. Tell me. Developer.servicenow.com. What are the applications you can activate? Discovery, right?
Yes.
Event management.
Service portal. Service portal. Service portal.
Cloud. No, service portal, I think,
Service
will
portal.
be the part of plugin only.
Event register.
Yeah. So these are some of the applications. So I have divided the different kind of application, right? And this will be used, so means you see these are different kind of applications that we have discussed about, and these are built within the ServiceNow itself, right? The ServiceNow has already developed this. You can customize them, okay? And all these are right. All these are sorry. customizable. Correct? All these applications are customizable, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is all that we discussed about the different kind of applications. And when you're talking about the customize and configure, you need to configure actually. The important thing is your configure. CONFIGURE. So how do you configure these applications? Means I'm talking about basically these kind of applications. How do you configure this user-based application, right? Incident change problem means, let me see what are the applications that you can configure, right? So configure or implement, you can say also implement also, right? Configure or implement. Right, so you have a lot of application, right? Customer service management, PPM, APM, ITSM. You have knowledge management. You have a configuration management. You have HR case management. You have
CMDB.
CMDB is the part of configuration management.
Vendor
CMDB,
management.
vendor management. Okay. So if you need to implement and configure these applications, what you have to do? What are the implementation component that you need to create? What are the implementation data component that you have? Data structure, implementation data structure, right? Right. So all these application will have some reference data, right? Correct. Let's do like this. Correct. In ServiceNow. All right. This will contain what? Reference data. The reference data is also called as a foundation data, right? Reference data. Can you give me some example of foundation data which is required?
User data.
Hmm?
User data.
User data. Yeah, user. What else? User can be assignee, user can be manager, user can be approver, user can be owner of a CI.
Right.
Right. So those data which is consumed by different application, right? That is called foundation data. You have user, group, role, user, group, department,
Locations.
location, correct? Got it? And even CI data also. That's what actually you need to configure. Got it? So see, user can be manager. User means we can use the sign to column referring user. We can have the caller referring user. We can have approver referring user. Group could be different. Group could be, you have a support group, technical resolver group, problem governance team, right? HR management group. So, right. Okay. So department
Yes.
also location. Location can be location of incident, location of user, location of configuration item. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, right. So you can have a location on user table. You can have location on incident table, change table, problem table, CMDB tables and all, referring the location, right? Okay. So these are your foundation data. So to configure and implement, so this is the first activity that you have to do. You need to configure. If you even if you configure ITSM, this is the first thing that you have to do. And then this is your reference data, and then you have a process setup data. Right? What are the example of process setup data? Can you tell me? Every process has a different kind of process setup data, right? Right. If incident, if it's a problem, if it's a change, right? Okay. You could have a different process that you can configure, like SLA, auto assignment. What else? Approval process. What else?
ACL.
ACLs.
Sorry?
ACL. Access control
ACL
list.
is a logic. It's not a process. ACL is a development, right? Process means a
Yes,
business
sir.
process that you need to convey. ACL is a coding. That is something that is all
Giving
about.
access.
Data lookup rules.
Yeah, data lookup rules.
Yeah.
Schedule job.
Yes.
Schedule job.
Schedule job. Right. Right. If you have implement or a change process, you have to configure. Right. So these are the process. Let's say notification. Right. Right. Notifications. Correct.
Yes.
You could have some integrations also, right?
Yes.
Inbound notifications and all, right? So these are the process that you need to configure, right? So these are the two kind of the data. And who is the creator of these two kind of a data? Who is the creator of these two kind of a data? Who is the creator? Who is going to do this? Who user? What kind of a user?
Admin.
Admin or developer, right?
Yeah, right.
And there is a third kind of a data that is called transactional data, right? Who will work on the transactional data? And transactional data will come when? Post deployment, correct?
Post deployment. Yes,
Correct? Transactional data
yes.
will not will be created by admin or a developer, right? It will come post deployment, correct? Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
What are the example of transactional data? What are the example of transactional data? Incident, change,
Problem.
request, problems, etc. Right?
Yes.
Knowledge.
Knowledge articles also you can say knowledge articles and all. So tell me,
Yes.
who create these records? Who create?
End user and IT
Yes.
service desk engineer also.
Users.
Yeah, service desk people,
Yes.
technical support
ITIL
people,
user.
right? Normal business users. Okay, or you have a resolver group, resolvers, right?
Right.
Okay, service desk analysts, right? So this will help you to know to gather the requirement and do the solution designing and all, and to preparing a design document and everything. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is also done. So shall we go for a break for 15 minutes? Will that be fine?
Yes, yes, sure.
Do we have coordinator here also? Do we have coordinators here?
Yes, Amma.
Yeah. So I think we are fine here.
Okay.
Let me go and see the agenda. Okay. Rest thing I will be sending some document which you can do. Okay. Let's go for a, this is 11:10. Let's have a break for 15 minutes. Okay. And we'll start with doubt clarification session. We'll do a little knowledge check and all. And then we'll proceed with next topic. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
And your feedback will be important. You just tell me this is over basic or something extra that you are expecting. Your feedback would be important. Is that fine, everyone? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
any additional
Yes, sir.
feedback? Any changes to the training that you would like to
Yes.
do?
Yes, yes, yeah, yes.
Yes, yes.
So you are all fine, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So feedback will be important. If you're not able to understand, just let me know. If anyone out of 30 to 33 participants, if anyone has not understood 60-70%, just let me know.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
All of you are okay, right?
Yes,
Let me
sure.
check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hema, you're fine, right?
Yes, Amol.
Yeah. Kirtana, you're fine. Kirtana. Let me check. Rizwana, are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
Uma Shankar,
Yeah, yes.
Swami, are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Harisha,
Oh, yes, I'm fine with the short.
Chaitanya, are you there, Chaitanya?
good. Yes,
Monica,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Gitanjali,
Yes, I'm good.
Vashu, okay. Lakshmi,
Yes.
Venkata, Prasanna,
Yes, I'm fine.
Pavan, Sanjeeva. Pavan, you there?
Yes, Amal.
Sanjeeva, okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
Amal.
Vijaya,
Yes, I'm fine.
Najma,
I'm good.
Kirtana. So all of you are connected, right? Kirtana, you there? Hema, are you there?
Yes, Amol.
Surya,
Yes, yes, all is good.
Jagdish,
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Yamini,
Yeah, I'm fine.
Suresh,
Yes, yes, I am good.
Satish,
Yes, I'm good.
Shiva,
Yes, sir. I am good.
Pavan,
Yes, sir. It is fine.
Suchitra,
Fine, sir.
Sakleen,
Yes, I'm fine.
Sunil,
Yeah, it's fine.
Kotesh,
Yes, everything fine.
Venkatesh,
Yes, yes. Yes, Amol, it's
Akash,
fine.
Yes.
Akash,
Good.
Vikash,
Yes, sir. Fine.
Unu,
Everything fine.
Sheikh. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
So all of you are fine. Very good. Brilliant. So let's go. This is 11:15. We'll come back 11:30. We'll get it started. Thanks, everyone. Just
Thanks.
have break, have coffee. We'll come back.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Hey, hi everyone, welcome back.
Hi.
Hi, thank you.
Hi.
Yeah, so let us get started. Hmm? Uh, Let me share my screen. Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
visible.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. So UI essentials. What do you mean by UI essentials? These are all your UI essentials, screen layout elements. You have different icons in ServiceNow, right? Okay, like system gear, global icon, and everything. So, what is form design? What is application menu, and what is module? Right. I know you guys already aware of it, right? So, application menu in itself is one of the application file in ServiceNow. Module is another application file in ServiceNow, right? And if you are talking about right now, means if you see the latest version of ServiceNow, you do not have such concept like the system gear. You already had a system gear earlier, but in latest version, you do not have some concept like this, right? So you have history. If you see, this is the screen layout that we are talking about, right? So means the history. So these are the latest module and the application menu that we have worked on, right? And these are the fabrics, right? So most frequently used modules or the application, you can make fabric by putting a star here, okay? And here you have a global icon, globe icon. So what does this globe icon means? That you can change application scope and update set. So we will discuss about this update set also. Update set is nothing but the update set actually captures the customizations. Application scope. What do you mean by application scope? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by application scope? What is application scope? What is the use of application scope?
It is a separate the applications, and only that particular using that particular scope we can access that particular application.
Yes, correct. Suppose for example, if you have created two applications, one is your railway ticket booking, okay, and another is your internet banking application, okay. So internet banking application that you created and railway ticket booking application that also you have created, right? So and these application you have created in ServiceNow, okay. Now is it sensible to create account holder table in railway ticket railway booking application? No, right? Getting my point?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have two applications. To just prevent the conflict between the two applications, we have a concept of application scope. And application scope is different from application menu, right? Getting my point? Okay. So application scope and application menu both are two different things. Application menu is a part of application navigator. In application navigator, whatever that you see, that is your application menu. Application menu is also a part of one application scope. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Got it, friends?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
application scope, something that we have, that we create here. There are a lot of application scope that you have. So I will be giving you some assignment today in the second half from 2 to 3. you will be doing one assignment, one project, right, based on the understanding so that we have today. Okay, so means we will be creating one application, custom application, marketing event management application. And if we want, if we create a business rule in the global scope, and the business rule in global scope, and one table that I created as a marketing event table in marketing event management scope, right, and business rule I'm creating in global scope, the table is not visible here, right? Whenever I'm creating a business rule and try to specify the table name as a marketing event table, it's not visible. What could be the reason? What could
It
be
will
the
be creates another scope.
because that
Like
is in another scope.
a
The
scope,
table is
yes.
available in marketing table, marketing event management scope, but
Yes.
the business rule is in the global scope. Suppose, for
Global
example, if
scope.
I want that table in the business rule, what I need to do?
Business rules also we need to creates in marketing event application scope. Then it will be visible.
No. Business rule is in the global scope only. The global scope, I want to see that table of the marketing event scope. How will I get? Is it possible or not? Yes or no? Feasible or not?
Is it possible?
Yes, it's possible when
In
you are
making the
selecting a
marketing table application as a
global scope. Yes.
scope.
When you are
No.
selecting global scope, it
Will
will
you be able to
also
change the scope? Will you be able to change the application scope of the marketing event table?
no,
No, right?
no, it's not possible. Yes.
So how will you do that then?
When you
So
are
did you
creating
understand?
first, then
Let me repeat the question. There are so many participants, right?
yeah.
So
Okay.
are you able to see my screen now? Hmm?
No, yeah,
So
yes.
there is your marketing event management. So this is your application scope, right? Application scope, right? And table is your marketing event, and business rule application scope is your global, and business rule, right, you are creating some demo business rule, right, will the table field of business rule contains table called marketing event? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hmm?
No.
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 Is it possible? It is feasible if
No.
I want to, huh? Is it feasible?
No. No.
Really?
When I select global, it can visible.
What you are going to
Yes.
select global? In which?
Global scope.
In the global scope, you are creating a business rule, right? That business rule has a table field. In that table field, drop down marketing event will be visible, yes or no?
No. No, it's not
No.
visible because of it is another scope.
Okay.
So
Is it feasible?
yeah.
Is it possible to make it feasible?
Um. Um.
Is it possible? Is it possible, guys?
No. No. No.
Really? If I'm creating a marketing event management application, let's say, okay, so this is the scope application I'm creating. Click create. Okay, continue in studio. I have this application created. Now the table that you see here, the table, this table is a powerful application file you have in ServiceNow. I'm creating a table here. So this table will create only table, or it's also helping you to create other stuff also. It will help you to create a module also. What will be the name of module? Marketing event. Right? It will help you to create a marketing event. The name of module will be your marketing event. And then you have
event.
And this is your application scope. An
Application.
application menu will be marketing management, right? So application menu is a marketing management. Module name is marketing event. Application name is Amol marketing event system, right? Okay. And business role is one of the configuration file, right? Correct? Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's add name column. Let's fine tune some knowledge here again. String. What is the purpose of this display setting? Can we have
on table?
Or yeah, what is the purpose of this display here?
Table. It will visible to fields and form.
It will be visible on a form.
Display, and if it is not false, it means this field will not be visible. That's
It's not visible. Yes, yes, yes. It's not
Really?
visible.
Really?
If it is true, it will be visible.
That's not
Yes.
true.
No, not at all. Not at all. Not
I
at
think
all.
if
It's not this display is not for making a field visible or invisible on the form, right? This is for something else, right? So your understanding is wrong here, right? That's what I'm asking. So this display is not for the purpose of displaying the field. I will take it later. The display setting we will take it later. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone has any understanding of this display setting?
to display the value of the field if it is not showing the value of the field.
This will be used in the reference field when you are going to
type is
create a
reference
reference field referring the marketing event. That's where the purpose of the display will be met. Correct?
Yes.
Got
yes.
it?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take it later. Right now, please don't get confused on the display. We'll take a separate session for this. Okay.
Yeah.
The display is not for making visible and invisible, right? You have a various other method to do that. UI policy you have.
UI action. Yes.
That you have.
Business rules. Yeah.
Not client script, not a business rule. Client script can do this.
Client scripts and UI policies. Yeah.
Yeah, client script,
UI
business rule,
policies.
and dictionary setting. There are the three methods, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you have the control tab. You can do the auto number, right? This will create a number column. Right? How many columns that we created here? What is total number of column?
5.
5. So when we are going to submit, what will be the column, extra column that will come here?
Number
and sys ID updated.
Yes.
Updated. Created by yeah. And when we are going to submit, when we are going to submit, so many application files will be there, right? So not only table will be created, you will have 4 access control will also get created, right? 4 access control. 1 access control to provide read access, 1 access control to restrict write access, 1 to restrict delete access, right, on the record, and there will be a role that will get created. So this is a role, right? So what are the application file that will get created along with the table? Application menu, module, table,
modules, tables.
yeah, 12 columns, 1 role and 4 access control, right?
Yes.
Got it, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
And now we have application scope. If you like business rule to access this table in the another scope, then you have to put a allow configuration. Okay.
Allow configuration. Okay.
Yeah. So that's where this table can be visible in another
global
application scope also, in the global application. That's the understanding.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is something that we have, and let's do one thing. This is a gray area, nothing is there. So let's click submit and let's see. It's the table being created. It's not the table only getting created, it's a module also.
Modules also created.
For access control, everything. You got it right. So whatever the role that you added, so that role has been associated to application menu. In the application menu, you can see that role. So this is the role. The user who will have this role, that user will have access to the marketing.
Access the marketing event table.
And the one who has this role, the same role, I think the same role is associated to the module also. If you are giving a user this particular role, that user will also have the access to this module. And
This
also
modules.
all the create, read, write and delete.
Write and delete.
All the access control, that particular role is associated. So this is something that you can change based on your requirement also. So same role, right? Same role everywhere, correct? Correct?
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes.
Same role you will see
Yes.
everywhere.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For write also, for
Yes.
delete also. So
Yes.
see how powerful tool that you have, ServiceNow, that also getting you ready for the access control that you can customize based on your requirement. Okay.
Good. Yes.
Yes.
Got it? And
Yes.
we will be designing a form also. Let's design a form. So I'm designing a form here. So form I can design on a different table also, right? So the table that I created, on the top of that table, we will be designing a form. So this is the form that I have. I'm going to design a form, right? So this is how your drag and drop form design console is there. So you can move created by, updated by. So you have configured, right? And we will configure choices also, right? Create choices, right? This is how you can configure, right? Right? See how I have added the choices here, correct? In the CP column, okay?
Yeah.
Got it? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Similarly,
Yes.
we
Yes.
have list
Yes,
layout.
got it. Yes, got it.
List layout. So we will be configuring a list layout. The list layout also need to be associated with a table. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is your created by, updated, and updated by. And now tell me, the module that has been created, what kind of a module it is? The module that you created, right? So this is the module. What kind of module it is? There are different kind of a modules. What kind of a module it will get created? It is going to create a list of records kind of a module. Okay.
List of records. Okay.
Right. You can manually, you can separately create a module also here. Right. It will be
Yes.
means like new record kind of a module you can create. Right. Just create new event, and this will be the part of the application menu. What should be the application menu name here?
Marketing event.
Marketing event.
Marketing event.
Management. That is the
Sorry.
application menu name.
Yes.
Okay.
Marketing management.
And this is going to be your new record. And
New record.
this will be the table name will be your, what will be the table name here?
Marketing event.
We can provide a role also here. The same role.
Yes.
We can add it here. Done.
Yes.
Click submit. Okay, so one module has also been created here. correct?
Yes.
Okay. So this is all ready, right? So let us create one more table, and this is going to be extended tables, right? So we will be doing what? Equipment request.
Equipment request.
Right. So this is the name of this will be a module name. And what should be the, should I add shall I add module to menu, or shall I create a new one? Suggest me.
Add in existing
Add
module.
module.
Add module to menu.
Add module to menu.
Marketing menu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So we do not need to add a new application menu here, right? So what I am going to do here, that I will be creating few column here. Type of equipment request, and then we will have string.
Time string.
Okay. And let's make it as a true.
So
okay, and then needed, let's say event name. What should be the event name here? For which event you have to raise equipment request? What should be the type here?
String.
Come on, tell me, guys.
Only.
Event name.
Right. If I have created a
reference,
event name should get the value of
String.
Event name should get a value from marketing event table.
so the reference name.
Reference.
Reference. What should be table name here?
Marketing event.
Marketing event.
Very marketing. All right. Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So needed from date. Right. Okay. Needed until. This will be date time again.
Yeah.
What will be the cost of this one? This will be
currency.
Yeah, that's all. Okay. Now, if there is a question here. If I'm not doing auto number, will the number come or not?
It will come.
Why?
Auto number. When you check auto number, it will generate.
No, if I'm not doing auto number, then
it will not come.
Not come.
What if I'm doing a task? Wait, what if I'm extending a task here? In
we
that
will
case,
access all
it will come.
It will come. Without this
come.
also. Without auto number
Yes.
also, the number will be the part of this
come.
table.
It will come. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's extending the task table. Task already has number. Correct.
Yes.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But anyway, I will be doing auto number to just have a prefix. Otherwise, if I'm not doing the auto number, it will come with the task. Right?
Yes.
Task 1001 and task 2. Let's don't do this auto number right now. We'll check it later, right? And here you have a column and everything. And let's submit this again. So how many column will be there? When I move to submit, what will be the total number of column?
5.
5 columns.
11. Including update, all things are.
What about the task columns? What about the 70 columns of task? You are extending the task.
Those columns
right?
also will come. Yes. Whereas, on task table fields also will come.
Table. Let's have a
Table also.
Yes. Task table fields also will come.
Okay. So what is the total number of what are the total number of columns in the task? Let's have a look. So this is a task table. Let's see.
Yes.
What are the total number of columns in the task? Is 70.
70.
Right?
Yes.
And here you have 75 plus 1, 76.
Yes.
Will be there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So total 76 records will be there. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. I have one doubt. When you are giving in display true or false, what is the use of that? If it is true, what
We'll
will
check it
happen?
later. I
What
told
if
you
it
we'll
is?
check it later. This will be used in the reference field, which will be referring the equipment request table.
Okay.
In the equipment request, this display has no meaning at all. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
The table which is going to refer this table, that's where the purpose of the display will come into the picture. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, got it. We'll have a look
Yeah. Yeah.
on that. Okay. So let me save this, submit this. So you got how many columns are there? Let's say this is 76 column. You got it right?
76. Yes. Yes. 76.
And
Yes.
76 columns. So let's create a form again.
Yeah. Form.
Okay. So for which table do I need to choose?
Task table.
Equipment request table.
Yes. Equipment request.
Right. I'm designing.
Form
So here,
yes. Yeah.
what are the columns? The columns that we created is not visible here, right? The column that we created is not visible here, right? So I will add one by one here. Type, right? Event name. Then you have needed from, needed until. What else? Cost. Have we added all the columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5.
All the columns have been
Yes.
added, right? So that form design is completed. Now I will be doing list layout.
Yeah.
Again, in the list layout, I also have to do the same thing, right? On the
Equipment
same
request table.
Then let's remove. No, let's keep everything here. So let's do
Active.
assign to an assignment group.
Update.
And no, we'll do cost. We'll have needed from needed until. We have type. Updated is important here. Anything left? Marketing event name, right?
Yes.
Right. This is my list layout. So you can see list layout here, equipment request and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go there and reload in and check. How many modules will be part of this application?
Two modules.
Two modules.
Two models.
Really?
Yeah.
3, right?
Created event, equipment,
Module one,
marketing. Okay, 3
marketing.
models. Yeah,
Yes, 3 modules.
Yeah.
3 modules.
So let's put
yes.
a 10 here. Create new event. Order will be 10. Equipment request. Order will be 20. For marketing event, it will be 30.
So you change title name, sir.
Your change title name.
Title
20.
name, not order, sir.
Yeah.
Model.
In order field, yeah. Order
Whatever.
field you need to give.
In one
In
module.
module.
First model
You
we have
change
to
the
change
Change
the
module name. Module.
title. Yeah.
Oh, it
20.
was
Display
what?
manual.
Equipment.
Marketing.
Equipment.
No, it's marketing equipment events.
Equipment request.
In order 20.
20, right? Thank you.
Yes.
You have 3, correct? 10, 20, 30. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Click create. You will be able to see this one. Okay. And now
Yes.
let's create here Noida event. No, it is not there. By event. Okay. Let's create one more. Okay. Now go to the equipment request. We will be creating a new equipment request here. Right. Okay. So there is event name, correct? So if I am clicking the search button, what value it should represent?
Records of
Mumbai
marketing
event.
Now there are so many columns, right, in this.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So why it's only showing you means if I'm selecting the Mumbai event, why it has shown the Mumbai event? Why it has not shown the city? Why it has not shown the created sponsor and all those stuff and all? It's also created also, right?
In a creating table,
Yes,
we set display true.
Why?
Display.
It is all because of the display, right? So
Display.
this was your
Yes.
question, right? Earlier you had a question, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
If
Yes.
you are putting it here as a created as a true,
Okay.
it will be means so let's do reload, right? So now in this case, if I am going to select event, what it's going to show? What it will show when I'm going to select? Tell me, what will be the display value of the event name?
Uh,
Tell me, guys.
Created.
What is this?
Date values of
date and time.
Why? Because
Why?
of
Because
the
we put
Display
as a
I was
event.
Okay, that is the
Yes,
purpose of this one. Okay, that is the purpose of display
Yeah.
setting. This is not for making visible or invisible. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
got it? Understood, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, some.
Okay. So
Yes,
we
sir.
have understood now. Okay. So this concept that we have learned, display setting. The other concept that we will be learning that this is tightly associated with the concept of sys ID also. We'll discuss that later also.
Yeah.
Just a second. If you do this,
Yes.
and you can have this, right?
Yes. It will be visible in global application. So.
Okay, so we can let me bring it. Let me bring it back. Okay, so it's came back to here, right? So let's so you can see, right, here that now reference field is basically used for one-to-many relationship. Hello everyone. So whenever you create a reference field on the marketing, means marketing event table has been used as a reference field for the equipment request table. Let me repeat that. So marketing event table has been used as a reference field on the equipment request table, right? Correct.
Yes.
So we
Yes.
have an event name column. So event name
Yes.
column,
Is a reference field.
event name column is used for doing the one-to-many relationship, right? When then
Yes.
I will have the related list on the equipment request table. I have created a table to which this table is referenced, right? So I will be
Yes.
having equipment request. On that equipment request, you have an event name. Are you able to see?
Event. Yes.
Right, on the equipment request. Okay. If, and you can see here, this is one-to-many relationship, and this is task. Why it is coming it as a task? Because we have not
The
done
extended table as a task.
auto number
Yeah.
in this equipment request, this one. If you do the auto number, this one, click update. Next time you will be creating it, you will be getting the EQU. Okay, got it? Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Got it? Now you have the number here, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we are creating on the incident table as a reference field, okay, I'm creating a reference field here on the incident table. Okay, and that is your incident on event. This is going to be reference field, right? And the table will be your marketing event. Correct? So there is a relationship is being getting created here, right?
Yes.
Right. What is that related what is that related list? The name of that related list is your incident incident on event, right? This is your related list. This will appear where? This will appear on marketing marketing team, right?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Got it? That will appear on marketing event. Just add one of the event here. There are two events. Let's select New York event. Click submit. Okay. So this is the record here 10003. Go to marketing event again. Go to New York event again. Any form you can open. Any you just need to open. So right now there is only one related list. We will configure the another one which has been created now. So incident on event. Are you able to see? Huh?
Yes.
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 Got it?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Equipment request.
So we have actually learned a lot of things. So all these things, whatever that I have covered, so I will be creating different assignment to you people, and you will be doing that. Okay, let me see who are there.
Hi, Amol, I have a query.
Yeah.
Like you are recording this session, is this be available for us also?
Yes, obviously, this will be
Okay,
available
okay.
for you
Actually,
guys.
I am missing on certain things, so I will.
What is that, Sonu? What you missed?
Actually, in the second section, in the second session after the break, like you were creating a application and all, and different modules. So I didn't get those properly. Actually, I was experienced this view for the very first time.
Which one? Studio One?
Yeah, Studio One. To create
So
an
this is the
application.
first time that you have done?
Yes, yes. I have not worked on the studio.
Okay, so did you see my demo properly?
Yeah, I have.
Attentively?
Yeah, I have attended all the things.
Okay, do you have any question? Any question that you have?
Not
right now?
particularly. That's actually not.
You just need
particularly.
practice. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
You just need to brush it up again.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
So how many of you are comfortable here? Can you please raise your hand? How many of you are comfortable with this Studio One? Can you please raise your hand, guys? Please raise your hand. How many of you are comfortable? I would like to see all the hands raised, please. Only 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 16, 17, 18, no, 19, 20. What about the other participants? What about the other participants? Pavan, Venkata. See, there is a lot of expectations out of this training, right? So I need to train all people, not one or two people, because a clear expectation is that you will be mapped to the project. Okay. Or what about the other people? Harisha, Swami, Venkata, Pavan. Only 20 people? Only 22? So we will go for a break at 12:30. We'll come and break will vary, right? Someday 12:30, someday 1 p.m. based on the situations and everything. 22 participants. Pavan, Satish, Vijaya, Venkata, Harisa.
Yes, sir.
Please come on. If anybody has not understood, just let me know. Sonu,
Yeah.
there's a little issue with the Sonu. What about the other participants? Okay, Pavan is okay. Satish is okay. Okay. Okay, I think there is only one participant who has ServiceNow experience and all the people has. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, there is a message here again. Okay, very good, Venkata. Questions, guys. Let's have a doubt clarification session. We have 10 minutes left. So let's have a doubt clarification session, please.
Hi, Amal.
Yeah.
Nikam Satish here. Amal, till now I have not worked on that, so I have basic knowledge.
This information at 4:45 p.m. Yeah. You have to? Yeah. What happened? Hello. Someone was saying something. Please explain how to create a studio. Studio is already created. You have to use studio. Sanjeeva. Sanjeeva,
Yes.
you have to use studio. You have to go there, just type studio, right? And that's where you have a studio here. Open this studio and you'll get this studio. Okay. And then you have to create an application here. All of you have to create an application here, and then you have to write here. Let's say this is your library re-application, right? Click create. After you create, what you have to do, you have to click continue in studio. Don't click continue in studio, right? I have created this, and then you have to go to library application, right? And then you have to click create application file, and that's where you can create a table. You can type table here. If you would like to create a table here, you can click create table, right? And you type here as a book, right? And here you can say, right, library system, system. This is the table name. In the column, you can add book name, right? You have to put a string, right? Maximum length you can put 40. You can put display setting as a true. Are you guys able to see? Hello?
Yes, Amol.
Visible.
So this is how you have to book author name. So author name could be from reference field, right? So it could reference the user, right? Okay. You can have publish date. It could be date. All right. Number of copies available. It could be integer. Right. Okay. And do the author number column. If you're able to see, I created 4 columns, right? But it will also create sys ID, auto number will be created by, updated by, updates will be created, right? 1 role will get created and 4 access control will get created. Okay, Sanjeeva? Hello?
Okay, got it.
You got it? And then the moment you click submit, you will have the application menu. You will have the module name, table name, 4 access control. You have the library system as application module here, right?
Yes.
Okay. You can create few other table also, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And once again, all of you, you have to type studio from the application navigator, click studio. After you click studio, you have to click create application. After you create application, enter the application name, put short description. Let's put like railway ticket booking, right? And after this, third time I'm showing you guys, third time. So please don't, then you have to click create. After you click create, what you have to do? After you click create, what do you need to do?
Continue in studio.
Continue in studio. This is what you have to do. You do not need to create a new role. You do not need to click continue button. You have to continue in the studio.
In studio.
Yeah, when you go in continue in studio, so if you'd like to add application file, then you can open this, right? You can create application file. That's how you can do. Okay, got it?
Yeah, got it.
Yes.
Got it.
Any questions? You understood? I think Sonu, now you understood, right? Sonu,
Yes, Amol. Now I get a clearer picture.
you get a clear idea. If you have missed, any other people, any questions? Okay, and now if you have, let's say, go to the studio, right? The way we have created a reference field, go to the library application, right? We already have a book. Let's create another table called book request. I will be creating book request. Sorry, book request I will be creating, right? So book request. So this will be part of library management, right? Library system. And then I will be adding few columns like requester. So requester will be coming from the user table. So this is going to be reference.
Reference.
Right? And what will be the reference here?
User.
User table. User table. Right? User. Okay. And book name. What could be the type of field here?
String.
Reference. What will be the table here?
Right. Oh, yeah, book.
Book. Okay. Okay. And received date, right?
Yes.
Received date will be
Date.
date and time.
Date.
Date and time.
Date and time.
Okay. Returned date. Right.
There also same date and time.
Date and time. Okay. Okay. That's what. Right. And this will be also a task based. Okay. Table. Right. Then how many columns will be there? Total columns?
10.
70 plus
70
70
plus 4,
plus
74.
75.
74.
70 plus 4 plus 1, that is 5.
75.
75.
Yeah, so
75.
the moment I do this, it
Submit.
get created. Got it?
Yes.
So we have created
Yes.
two
Yes, sir.
application here, two custom application. Okay? Got it?
Yeah, okay, got it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Two custom application that we have created. And now we will be doing as much as hands-on here during the class. Okay?
Okay, go.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So let me see what are the topic that we have covered. So we have, okay. We will cover day 2 item also. So tomorrow mostly we will be doing exercises. Okay. Will that be fine? I will try to cover the agenda of day 2 also today. And then we can do most of the activities tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow there will be a lot of assignment that you people has to do. Today we'll be doing assignment lookup rules, assignment rules and everything. Okay. So we will then knowledge management and all those things. ITSM, so many things. All good, guys? All
Yes.
good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes.
okay, so what is your understanding today on this one? How much you percentage? How much? What percentage that you have learned on this application development, custom application? 90%, 80%, 50%, 40%. Just type in and let me know. I need to understand your understanding. How much you have understood? 100% also, or 0%, 25%? 50%. Sonu has understood 50%. So I will be working on 50% remaining, which Sonu has not understood. Hema, 90%. Very good. Akash, 90%. 80%. 80%. So Sonu is somewhere. I need to work on him.
Yes, Mole, actually, I want to be just honest, I can't
You
lie.
will do of your own. The moment after the moment you do the exercises, you will complete 100%. Okay.
Yeah, I will
Don't
make sure that I am typing next time 100%.
So what you have not understood? Anything?
Actually, I believe like I have to first brush up the things of like Studio. Like you have already explained 3 times how to create an application and all. So as soon as I apply them personally on my
Yeah. So
So
create all these 3 applications, whatever I created, marketing
yeah,
event, right? And this one, book library one. Okay.
library one. Yeah, I will
Okay.
surely do
So
that.
you need practice. All of you
Yes,
need
yes.
practice. Okay. So I could see, yeah. So the people are fine here. So all of you are going good. So I think I'm really enjoying this session with all of you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying too. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
And this is not a training. First of all, let me tell you guys, this is not just a training. This is something that we are doing projects actually here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Complete
yeah.
project kind of environment that we are setting up. Okay.
Sure.
Shall we go for a break now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
fine.
sure.
Let's go for a break. We'll come back at 1:30. and for 50 minutes we'll talk. And today assignment time will be your from 1 to 1:30, half an hour assignment. And in this time you do not need to ask anything. Okay, you have to do the things independently. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So you're not allowed to ask anything in this particular assignment time. Okay, and then just half an hour or 45 minutes session we will do this lab session. And then tomorrow will be 90% session. It will be lab activities. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so any feedback from any people here?
Yes, sir.
The coordinators, please.
Sir, actually, this is Sonu.
Anything? Yeah, Sonu.
Sir, to be on a good note, like with all due respect, like when you are explaining things, I just want to like you are explaining things like there were some like multiple voices. That's why I missed out certain things. So I want
Multiple voices at my end, or where?
no, not at your voice. Like all the participants were participating while you were explaining things. So I just want that like the time you are explaining things, you are the only sound like we all are getting. And during the questions sessions or the doubt session, we can ask those
Okay,
doubts
so
that time.
during the demo, it looks disturbing, right? That's what you're telling.
Yes, sir, with all due respect.
Okay, great. Okay, so during the session, during the demo, as per Sonu, what about the other participants? Do you agree with him, or
I feel the same. Yeah, I agree with this.
Yes, I will.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes,
even
sir.
I do agree with him.
Yes, I agree with you.
okay?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so same everywhere, right? So
Yes.
during the demos, there should be one voice that should be mine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks
So
everyone for understanding.
so do one thing. You can do hands up. Okay. Instead of speaking anything, if I'm asking, okay, have you understood this? Then you can just do hands up or something like thumbs up, right? Will that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that is also required, because we are doing the virtual
Yeah, sure.
session.
Yeah, sure.
So I
Yes,
should
sir.
feel connected.
It's good.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So whenever I say okay, it's okay. Are you able to understand? And whenever I'm asking question, so you can put on the chat also. Okay, will that be fine?
Yeah. Okay.
So no, is it okay if instead of voice, if chat will be
Yes,
okay?
yes, sir,
Or that is
absolutely
also
fine.
disturbing.
Yes. No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. That would be fine. Like we also want to stay connected with the like with the mentor. But while
Okay.
yes, sir, you got me
Yeah.
right, sir.
Yeah. So during the session, during the demo session, we will practice one thing. So if you are understanding anything, you can just do a thumbs up or put something on the chat. If I'm asking any question, you can put on the chat. Okay. During the demo, sometimes I ask question, right? Correct?
Yes. Right, sir. Right, sir.
Right. During the demo, if I'm asking any question, then you have to just need to type here.
Sir, like
right?
like everyone can share their feedback like while you are explaining things. But in short, I want to say that repeating the same lines as of you explaining, so that doesn't make sense to me. Like
That doesn't make sense.
yeah.
Correct, Sonu. Correct. 100%. I agree to that. So, okay. So we will practice this learning process. Very good. It was really great feedback. Okay. So we
Appreciate
will
that,
do
sir.
this kind of feedback I need, right? I need these kind of a corrective feedback. Not every time good feedback. I'm not interested in good feedback, positive. I'm interested in the negative feedback, guys. Okay.
Thanks for
Negative feedback means it's not a negative feedback, means something just share me. You don't call it as in negative feedback. Just share me the improvement area. So what Shonu has given here. So this is not the negative feedback. This was an improvement area, right, Shonu?
yes, sir. Sounds good, sir.
Yeah. So just improvement area where we can improve, right? Together. It's not only means like you people. It's also about my improvement also in this, so that we can take it in next session. So every next session we have to learn. I need to learn. You people has to learn also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you. So participants feedback, any other participant feedbacks, coordinator feedbacks. So anyone from uh, coding solution? Do we have? Do we have the host? I think they are not available here. So you see anyone here from your organization, participants? Any coordinator from your organization? Do you see anyone here? No, right? All are the participants, right?
Yes, Amol, it's fine.
Okay. So do we have anyone from the participants and also coordinator, any coordinator?
Yeah, we are here.
Do we have?
Yeah.
I'm asking from the participants end, any coordinator. So you people are from coining solution, right?
No, we
Wait,
are
wait,
from
wait.
the mind state.
Mind stay. Okay, okay. Sorry. Anyone from this uh,
Yeah, we are also from
end?
the participant side itself.
Sorry,
We are from the participant side itself.
you are from?
Participant side.
Oh, sorry, sorry. May I know your name?
I am Bhargavi.
Sorry, Madhavi.
Bhargavi.
Bhargavi. Any
Yeah.
feedback you would like to give before we end the session today? Or
Uh,
it's fine.
yeah, it's going fine.
Okay, so thanks everyone. So let's meet again at 1 p.m. Not 1 p.m. We'll have a 1 hour break. Half an hour we will be back. And then at 2 p.m. We'll start the assignments, right? And we'll do that. Okay. Thanks everyone.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Mo.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Amol. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Yeah.
This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, hello. क्यों क्यों So why only 23 students are there in the classroom? What about the other participants? Hello? Why all of you have not joined? Guys, please join the classroom. Hello everyone, this is mandatory. Am I audible? Every one of you?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
can you
Yes,
all
sir.
please join the classroom, please? Hello everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, sir.
I could see
Hi.
only,
Hello, sir.
let me check, 27 participants. Still 5 participants has not done, right? What is total number of participants? I think 32 participants, right?
32.
Yes, 32.
Yeah. So only 27 participants has joined the classroom. Only 27. Do we have only 27 participants right now?
33, sir.
Hmm? I could see Tejasri, Kirti, Kotes, Akash, Sunil Verma, Sonu, Vasu, Mannala, Hema Sundar, Kishore Kumar, Shankar M, Swami, Harisha, Rijwana, Najma, Vikas, Sanjay, Bhargavi, Monica, Suresh, Jagdish, Mohammad Saklan, Venkatesh, Yalagala, Teja Pavan, Suchitra, Kaki Venkata Prasanna, Shiv Kumar Ware, and Meenakshi. What about the other participants?
I'm also here, Geetanjali.
Gitanjali has not, I do not see Gitanjali here. Have you joined the classroom?
Yes.
I do
Just
not
a
see.
second.
I do not see.
Hi, this is Vijaya. I am here.
Yeah? No.
Yes.
In the classroom is Google Classroom.
Okay.
Yeah, hi team.
Have you
Actually, there
joined
is a
Google
link.
Classroom?
Actually, there is a link in the chat box sir has just sent. You can join again. There.
Please join Google Classroom.
Hi. Can you see me
Yeah.
now? Geetanjali.
Let me check. Gitanjali. I could see yeah, I could see 28th someone. What's your full name?
Can Geetanjali.
Full name, full
Can you
name.
see? Usamagari Geetanjali.
Uma Shri.
No, Usamagari Geetanjali.
तेजश्री कीर्ति कोटेश अवसरे आकाश अवसरे सुनील वर्मा अबुला सोनू गुलेरिया वासु मनला किशोर शेखर स्वामी हरीशा रिजवाना नजमा विकास संजय भार्गवी मोनिका सुरेश जगदीश मोहम्मद वेंकटेश यलागला तेजा पवन सुचित्रा काकी वेंकटा प्रसन्ना यनामला विजया
Yes.
शिव कुमार मीनाक्षी. Yes, I have called your name.
No.
No, so you have not joined yet.
Okay, I will leave meeting
Yeah,
and again I will join.
no. Why you are leaving? Wait. I think what's your Manala Hema
Usama Gari
Bhargavi?
Gitanjali.
Wait.
Yeah.
I could see now 29 participants. Let me do that. Sort by
Gitanjali.
first. What is your first name?
Usama Gari Gitanjali.
Ushama.
Gari. Yeah. Yes. Usama Gari. Usama Gari.
Ushama Gari. Let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen. Tell me if you are there or not.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen? No. Wait.
No. Yes.
Are you able to see your name here?
Yes. Your
Are you able to see
name.
your
Wait.
name?
Yeah, I'm checking.
This is alphabetically, right?
No.
Gitanjali.
No, my name is not there.
30 students are there. 30 students are there. C. Akash, Tejasri, Vargavi, Harisha, Jagdish, Kaki, Kirti, Kishore, Kotesh, Manala, Minasi, Mohammed Saklan, Monica Reddy, Nasma, Naz, PC Reddy, Rizwana Mulani, Sanjay Prince, Sanjeeva, Shankar, Shiv Kumar, Sonu, Suchitra, Sunil Verma, Suresh, Swami, Vasu, Venkatesh. No, you are not there. Why?
Sir, I have an input. Can I share?
Yeah.
Actually, Gitanjali, have you joined the link the sir have sent on the chat on the?
Hi, Amol.
Yes,
Yeah.
I joined.
Amol.
Yes. Yeah.
My name is not there. Satish Nikam.
Satish, have you added yourself here?
Yes, I'm added.
What's your name?
Satish Nikam.
Satish.
Yes, yeah.
Satish, 1 minute. Let me share that once again.
Yes,
wait. I have shared one link. Let me share that link once again. Copy. Can you join now? I sent the link here.
Okay. Just minute.
Yeah. Can you join now?
Yes, just a minute.
Yeah, I could see 31 participant. 31st participant has come.
Amol, I think my browser issue here.
You can see, I could see 31 participants now. So 32 participant has come now. Akash, Bhargavi, Harisa. What's your name? Satish.
Yes, my name is Satish Nikam.
Satish Nikam. Do you see your name here?
No.
Uma Gitanjali has come here.
Not
right?
there, Satish Nikam.
Gitanjali has come.
My name is not obvious.
Yeah, okay.
Your name?
Sheikh Babawali.
Huh?
Sheikh Babawali.
So have you clicked the link?
Yeah, no. Just a
You do that first, man. Do that first. Do that. Check if your name are there. 32 participants. All of you are fine, right?
Amol, my name not there. I think my browser issue.
Okay, what's your ID? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Gmail ID?
Satish Nikam 363 @
Satish
Nikam.
Nikam.
NIKAM 363
363
@gmail.com. Yes, you're right.
Check invitation. Check my invitation. Just accept that on the Gmail. Anyone else? Satish is now there. Satish, can you please approve? Satish,
Yes.
are you there?
There. He is there. Okay, yeah.
Any other people missing here? Any other participant? Okay, so I could see 24 participants are there. So do we have 34 participants here?
Hello.
Yeah.
My name is Lakshmi. My name also is not showing.
Have you joined the link?
Yes.
Lakshmi?
Yes. Yes.
You share me your Lakshmi is there. Lakshmi Kolushu, right?
Yes.
Lakshmi, it's there. So we have 35 participants.
Okay.
So whenever you do assignment or anything, you just take a photo and you can upload that. Okay, upload. Okay. Okay, so can you go to the assignments, classwork? So let's see, means like all of you will be able to see the assignments. So let me share my screen.
Yeah, hi Amol. Actually, I have a query.
Yeah.
So we need a PDI personal development instance for doing these assignments, right?
Yeah, you do wherever you like to do, right?
Okay. So actually, there is some maintenance going on at the ServiceNow, and you must be aware of that. So actually, I have released my instance
No,
yesterday.
see, I know for not for all the people, for few participants.
Okay.
Right?
So actually, my instance is in waitlist.
Same problem for me also.
Yeah, for me also.
Yeah, mine. The same problem, answer.
When it happens, when what about me? Let me have a look. But mine is working.
Yeah, sir. For some, it is working. Actually, one of my ex-colleague told me to release my instance and check if there.
Can you do one thing? Can you create a new account on the developer portal and start working on it?
I have tried.
Yes,
I
we
have
have.
tried that also.
Also tried.
It is showing your instance is in waitlisted.
So do one thing. What I'm going to do, I will be creating users. Okay, here. Okay, so what you have to do here, whenever you do anything, any application, just prefix with your name. Okay.
Understood, sir.
developer, right? And I am giving you access to this, okay, this URL. So all of you can do this. So developer is user ID, okay? So developer is your user ID, okay? And let me reset. I'll tell you what is the password here. Developer. Okay, so whenever you are creating any application, okay, just put your name, like Sonu marketing event, Sonu library management. Okay, got it?
Got it.
So this is your user, this is your password. ServiceNow at 123. Okay. And don't touch either each other's okay. So password is this one, user ID is developer, and URL is this one. Okay, got it? That's how you can do, right? And those yeah,
Hi, sir. My instance is
Sorry for
working
interrupting.
properly. So can I do that?
those instance is working, they will do on their own. Those instance is not working, they can use mine. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
okay, it's a temporary solution, right? Those whose instance is already working, they can work on that. Okay, so this is now 2 p.m. Let's get started, do the assignments. Okay, okay, and do the things independently. All right, independently means independently.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can do mistakes, that's not a problem. If you're stuck somewhere, fix it in your own way. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah,
And each assignment complete, then upload. We are uploading a screenshot on a class.
a screenshot, and you have to, you know, change the status, submit, right? You need to
Okay.
submit the assignment. Okay,
Sure.
yeah.
This meeting is being recorded.
I think we are doing the assignment right. There is no need to record this session. Who is this? MST SCP ART 028.
Me only.
Oh, you change, rename your name here. May I know your name?
This meeting is being recorded.
Do we really need to record this session during the assignment time? Hello? Who is starting the recording? May I know who has started the recording? So Chitra, post on the assignment, not here.
Okay.
I'm stopping the recording. If anybody has concern, just let me know. Because unnecessarily it will consume. Okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, so then we have done, we try to compare the traditional way of application development. We try to understand different architectural layer of application development. That's where we discuss about presentation layer. We discuss about the coding layer and the data layer, right? We discuss about the different components that we need to develop in all these three layers, and whatever the means like infrastructural level of resources are used are required, and the software, the tool are required. That's what actually we discussed, right? And we have compared that with the ServiceNow way of application development. And then you have seen that the ServiceNow way of application development is quite powerful and quite smart, right? So means a lot of things has been taken care by the ServiceNow, like the infrastructures and everything. So we have to basically more focus on the development logics and all, development related activities and all, right? We are not focusing more on the connectivity between the different layer of the application development, right? That's the way the ServiceNow is different from the traditional way of application development, right? And then we actually learned how to do the custom application development in ServiceNow. How do we use Studio, and how we can add different application files and all. We discuss about the tables. The table in itself is a great tool in the ServiceNow. Table is not only creating a table and the column. Table is also helping you to create role, application menu, module, and few other columns as well. It will help you to create access control, right? So that's where the table here is a very important application file that you have in ServiceNow, and this is very productive. This is very efficient application file that you have, right? And then of application like marketing, event management application, library applications, right? And all of you people have done the assignments and all. And I think assignment is still pending. So we'll start tomorrow with this where we have left today. So this is all about the assignments and all. So this is all about the lab based projects that we are doing. So you need to get as much as hands-on experience like Sonu has done, right? Hmm? So hope you understood fine, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have any question, you can check with me.
Sure, sir.
Sure.
And still, if you have any feedback, just let me know, so that tomorrow we can add those feedback.
From my side, it is going fine, sir.
Okay, great. Any issues, you can just let me know.
Can you
About
use
the
your
break-
instance for
Sorry?
can you use your instance for preparation
Yes,
today?
yes. Yeah, why not? Sure, it's all yours, right? That's not a problem, right? So
Okay,
use
thanks.
my instance, right? Do practice as much as you can. And also what I wanted to say is that pace of the training, you have to tell. Communication in this training, my communication, was it too fast or was it too slow? You have to just let me know. Sometimes I was quite fast, I know that, but you have to pitch in if you're not able to understand. Okay, got it? I can be slower as well,
Got it.
I can be
Got it.
faster as well. It's all depending upon you guys. Okay, I can switch my pace of the training as per your expectations and as per your comfort zone and all.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate that.
Yeah. Can we have few doubts? If you have any doubts, we still have few minutes left.
From my side, no doubts.
Okay. Or if you have any doubts or anything in the Google Classroom, you already have, right? You can just post your doubts there itself, okay? In the Google Classroom.
Sure,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Kirtana. Okay, she's giving me screenshot. So guys, the screenshot has to be there uploaded with the assignment, okay? Google Classroom is very user friendly for me, okay? So tomorrow again, we are going to meet at 9:30, okay? Sharp 9:30, we are going to start the session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can we close the session now? If you all guys are fine, if you guys do not have any doubts or anything.
Sure, sir.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Thanks everyone. It was really nice talking to you guys. See you again guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Amal.
yeah.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thanks, Amal. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.